Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best wireless lavalier microphone for iPhone, the Fifine M8. This versatile microphone delivers crystal clear sound, wireless freedom, and professional recording quality for vlogs, interviews, and video content. Let's get started. Product features: dual wireless microphones. Includes two wireless mics paired with a single USB-C receiver, allowing you to record two speakers simultaneously. Perfect for interviews, podcasts, or collaborative video content. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. Captures 360-degree sound, picking up every nuance of voice. This ensures natural, immersive audio that keeps your recordings crisp and professional. Stable wireless transmission. Maintains a reliable connection up to 20 meters, giving you freedom to move, reposition, or record in larger spaces without audio dropouts. Long battery life. Provides 6 to 7 hours of continuous use with the option to record while charging, ensuring uninterrupted sessions for long shoots or events. Intuitive function key. Easy-to-use control button enhances workflow, allowing creators to adjust settings and start recordings quickly without technical hassle. Multi-device compatibility. Works seamlessly with iPhones, Android devices, and tablets, offering flexible options for creators across different platforms. Pros: dual wireless microphones for multi-person recordings. Omnidirectional sound pickup for clear, natural audio. Stable wireless range of 20 meters. 6 to 7 hours battery life with charge and record support. Easy-to-use function key for smooth operation. Compatible with iPhone, Android, and tablets. Cons: USB-C receiver may require an adapter for older iPhones. Not water-resistant, so best for dry environments. Final thoughts. The Fifine M8 wireless lavalier microphone is a powerful, reliable, and easy-to-use tool for any content creator. Its clear audio, long-range wireless connection, and dual mic setup make it perfect for vlogging, interviews, and professional video production. Upgrade your audio game today. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more top tech reviews and tips.